think it's really about taking in just the amount of love and appreciation around us.
Being whatever you want to be without anyone judging you, and just follow your heart.
What's beautiful about WorldPride is that it's something that we never get to see. It's just a really magical moment to be able to witness this in history, to be here and see just so much queer love everywhere.
I keep forgetting I'm getting older, but when I realize it's too late, wanna be young again, do it over. Really innocence, just say you'll try. Say you'll give me a chance. Say I won't ever last dance. Say the hourglass in my head is never running out of sense.
People need to feel seen and accepted, and they need a place where they have community and they can feel the joy and the love for being themselves.
In the normal world, the queer community is always the minority. And today, we will be the majority. And that feels great.
Come over. Don't fight how you really feel. Come closer to me. I'll give you something to believe in. Come over. Don't fight how you really feel. Come closer, please. I'll give you something to believe in.
¡Ay, sabroso!
Come over. Don't fight how you really feel. Come closer to me. I'll give you something to believe in.
We need to show ourselves. We need to be together. We need to show we exist.
There's so much hate in this world, and this is the counterpart to that.
In my heart.